up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I am Paul. In today's video we're gonna say goodbye to the beast, so let's go. So for everyone that is new to the channel, or this is your first visit, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of context to this video. And a few weeks ago, I made a decision to move on from the Beast. My original plan was to completely break down the car. The motor had already been moved. I've taken out the tranny and I've moved it as well. And I was going to continue breaking down the car into, you know, kind of your group packages like your rear end, wheels, the Holley EFI system, etc. But I ended up making a deal with somebody, and they're going to take the car as a complete roller as it is. Going to bring down the car, load it in the trailer, and take it to the new owner. So I'm also experimenting here with a new DJI Osmo, or whatever they're called. Marcus ended up getting it for me. He thought it would be helpful for the videos when I was recording alone, and has a pretty cool tracking feature, so it just kind of follows you where you go. So let's try it out. Let's bring the coupe down and see how it goes. The two-post hoist has been a great addition to the garage. It obviously comes really handy. I thought when I get this down and the truck and everything hooked up that I would do maybe one last walk around outside. So I got to put a wheel stop on it before it starts. See if it follows me here. Oh yeah, pretty cool. Camera lost me there for a bit, but anyways, I'm gonna go outside and hook up the trailer to the truck. Don't really need to record that. You guys know what that is, and yeah, we'll keep moving forward here. So we got the coupe loaded into the trailer, and I'm transporting it to the new owner's place. It's kind of a bittersweet moment for me right now.